from Photobox Designs. I'm here to show you something very exciting. We've just completed and released our Inside the Photobox Comprehensive Guide, which includes a full PDF and 9 video tutorials to help you get started with in-the-box photography. So this is the PDF that you get. There's a little welcome thing here, talking about templates and how boxes go together. Some of the and I should mention that you don't just get this PDF. You don't just get the videos, but you're also going to get some free extras, and we'll go through that in a couple of minutes. So I linked also a photo shoot that I did back a few years ago with my friend Cynthia Russo. This is the actual pictures that I'm using in the brand new 8 video compilation tutorial on editing. The editing tutorial links that you're going to see now are, we have an intro for the studio setup and then different sections. We talk about Lightroom. I do a quick edit in Lightroom, editing the grid in Photoshop, doing a coffee pour, it could be a wine pour, any liquid pour, adding shadows, prepping for export, exporting the box using clipping masks, and then going a little bit deeper into editing limbs, passing from one box to the next. So this is all here for you. They're all links in this PDF. So it makes it quite easy for you to just go back and you can watch all of these videos all the way through, and then you can go back and say, oh, I need a refresher on the Lightroom part, or, oh, I would need a refresher on the coffee pour part. So you can just go back and they are there for you. These videos are not in my free site. These are completely redesigned videos. They are not open to the public. This is only for people who purchase the tutorial and guide. So I'm just going to quickly show you with this. The intro is just a quick intro video. So we would click on it, the link here, and then you would see this is a little studio setup. And now you could take a quick look at what the tutorial would look like, the editing portion. So these are the links. These are all the actual links. Then the rest of the PDF goes through some essentials that you need. I go through some very specifics on how I set up my camera. Of course, there's different ways of doing it, talking about the tripod, setting up using how I focus, what my camera settings are. You know, there's nothing set in stone. When you do yours, your studio is going to be possibly different than mine. And so your settings may be different, but at least it gives you a starting point on how I focus my camera, on lighting. Really is pretty comprehensive. Then some options on building the box, a materials list on how I did it. Of course, using someone who knows construction. This is kind of fun, some shooting inside the photo box tips and tricks that you can use, and a fun little posing checklist that you can use. You can print this page out by itself and keep it with you in your studio, some inspiration. So that's basically the PDF, but you get some extras. So let's take a look at the extras that you get. So when you purchase this tutorial, you get the 9 videos that I talked about, you get the PDF with all of those features, but you also get a 9-box Photoshop template. That is our most popular seller. You get the 6-box Photoshop template. You get 2 marketing templates, and you get, as an extra bonus, a free in-the-box photography client guide, marketing editable Canva template. This is an awesome, awesome template that you can use when you are marketing to your clients. So this by itself is a $39 value. And then the marketing templates, there's 2 of them because I wanted to get you started on marketing and I didn't want to just teach you the basics and how to do it. But if you're going to run it as a business, you might as well have all the tools. And the 2 marketing templates, you can open them in Canva or in Photoshop. You have both options. So let's take a quick look now. These are the 2 marketing templates that are included. Again, right here, you can use them in Canva or Photoshop, and we have our PDF marketing guide. I hope you take a look. The link is in the description. That'll send you to our shop, and would love to hear any feedback.